Make sure the subfloor is clear from dust and debris. Ensure the floor is level. Uneven floors can affect the installation and performance of your system. Apply a leveling compound if required. Lay a damp-proof membrane to prepare the area to accommodate the PIR insulation. Lay the PIR insulation panels, ensuring the depth of the insulation meets building regulations. Cut the insulation using a handsaw to gain a tight wall-to-wall fit and ensure the floor is fully covered. Install the perimeter insulation to prevent thermal bridging. Finish preparing the floor area by laying a slip. This is installed directly to the PIR insulation before any underfloor heating pipework is laid. Ensure the pipes are laid a minimum of 100 mm from the wall. Choose which of the listed pipe spacings is required to achieve the desired heat output. Lay the clip rail at 1 meter intervals, interlock for longer runs. Remove the backing from the adhesive strip to secure the clip rail to the floor. They can also be secured using pipe staples. Run the pipe to cover the floor area. Each circuit of pipe will need to finish at the manifold position. Press the pipe into the clip rail to secure it in place. If multiple loops are required to fill the entire floor area, please use the previous steps to start and finish each loop by running to and from the manifold. Install the manifold to the wall and connect the pipework. Fill the system and pressure test it prior to screeding. Lay the floor screed and smooth the surface using a long straight edge such as a spirit level or piece of timber. Allow the screed to dry before laying any floor finish. Once the screed has dried, prepare the subfloor following the floor manufacturer's guidelines. Fastwarm's Clip Rail solution provides a quick and easy way to add underfloor heating to your home. For more information, call us today.